and how we can improve it.
Sir, I am not satisfied with this system because there is no training sessions available for teacher. There is no time available for teacher for research how to work with their students. Teacher is continuously busy in other activities other than studies.
Right,
He is busy in homework, other activities, and no time for readings.
right,
There is no culture in our society to read and think about how we can improve our student. Every, especially the teachers are always in tensions. How to manage their needs, how to manage the expenses of their houses. Always busy in this tension. Because of this reason, he does not think what he is doing. He says, but I am right. But he is not at right. The teacher should work on his subject and plan about our students what he can do for them.
right.
But he always in thinking what he can do for his family only. On the other hand, अगर you say that a property dealer make a simple deal and he says that we have earned 5 lakh, 10 lakh. Or on the other hand, the teacher always look to him okay, what I can do. The teacher should pay healthy amount and pay. He should be free from tensions, so he can do his work properly. And there should be a proper training system in our educational system, in especially government sectors. Mein, there is no. We do not understand how many teachers of physics, how many teachers of chemistry, how many teachers of maths are required. We do not consider these figures. This because this is so much. Thank you, sir.